Hey everybody, this is Nick with Ion Audio. Today I'm going to give you a brief overview of the Pathfinder Charger's features and functionality to help you get started using your speaker. The Pathfinder Charger includes a microphone, so let's begin with that. Start by powering on the speaker. Open the rubberized panel at the upper left of the speaker to expose the microphone input. Connect the 1/4-inch end of the microphone cable to this input. Switch on the microphone and turn up the microphone volume knob. This knob will control the overall gain applied to the microphone signal. The master volume knob controls the overall output of the speaker, so be sure to turn that up as well. Use these knobs together to produce a clear, audible signal. The Pathfinder Charger also includes an 1/8-inch auxiliary cable, so you can play audio from an external audio device like your smartphone or other media player. Connect one end of the cable to your device's audio output port, and the other end to the input on the speaker, labeled auxiliary. Turn up the volume on your audio device and use the master volume knob to control the overall output level. As its name suggests, you can use the Pathfinder Charger to charge USB devices like your smartphone. For a wired connection, connect your phone's USB cable to the USB port under the rubberized panel at the upper right of the speaker. If your smartphone supports wireless Qi charging, simply place it on top of the Pathfinder Charger in the middle of the circular panel. The charging indicator LED will pulse when the device is being charged. To charge your device faster, put its screen to sleep. To wirelessly stream audio via Bluetooth from your smartphone or other Bluetooth device, start by pressing the button with the Bluetooth icon to disconnect any devices that might already be paired to the speaker. Open your Bluetooth device's Bluetooth menu, and the Pathfinder Charger will show as an available device. Select it in this menu to pair. Use your device's output volume control and the Pathfinder Charger's master volume knob to control the overall volume level. I'll go over some troubleshooting steps later in the video if you're having some trouble pairing your device to the speaker with Bluetooth. Use the button with the light bulb icon to control the Pathfinder's light mode. There are 3 modes available: color cycle, beat sync, and off. Press the radio button to cycle through the FM band, AM band, and turn the radio off. There are 5 available presets for each band. You can use the left and right directional buttons to manually progress through the stations and program presets that way, or press and hold the button to scan through frequencies and automatically find the stations with the strongest signals. Press and hold a preset button to assign the current station to that preset. The speaker will indicate that it has saved the preset on its display. Use the master volume knob to control the output of the radio. If you want to add extra bass frequency to any audio that's being output from the speaker, press the bass boost button to toggle the boost on and off. If you're having some trouble repairing your Bluetooth device to the speaker, there's a quick procedure that should get you back on the right track. Start by opening your device's Bluetooth menu. Find the list of devices that have been previously paired and locate the Pathfinder Charger. Most devices have an option to forget a previously connected device. Have your device forget the Pathfinder Charger. When you've completed that, open the menu that will allow you to pair a new device. Press the Bluetooth button on the Pathfinder to disconnect any devices that might already be paired. The speaker should appear in the list of available devices in a few moments. Select the Pathfinder Charger in this list to pair your device again. That should get you started using your Pathfinder Charger. Please be sure to check the link in the video description for more popular guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.